centers are used to divide in this Yukon Territory city from the shopping area. You can see a variety of different flowers, and then trees and other types of flowers are used along the borders to separate and distinguish each area from the other. Get a nice homey feeling. Here is our visitor center and the shopping area.
Heading back to the ship after an interesting garden tour. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Pretty interesting to see what's possible when you use a little creativity with container gardens, whether you're in Alaska or wherever your garden is located. For more gardening tours and tips, subscribe. Garden Yay! See you again soon.